Welcome back, guys. We're going to do another video today. Today I'm going to show you how to do some simple formulas to get answers faster in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to do a couple different areas here. We're going to do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and square root. So if you've never done these before, this is going to be a quick and easy way that you can set this up and use this forever. So first thing we want to do, let's just go ahead and go to our addition little table that we created. So as you can see, I have some values here, $1, $42, $568, and so on. And I also have some additional numbers. We're going to go ahead and add those up via a formula instead of manual. So there are two different methods here. The first method is you can go ahead and hit the equal sign, and then you will point and click to each cell that you want to add. So in this case, we want to add cell A2 plus B2. So we're going to hit A2. As you can see, A2 is listed. You're going to hit your plus sign, and then you're going to point and click to B2. Now when you click OK or Enter, that's going to be your result. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So it's a pretty simple formula. Now in this next column, I'm going to show you the other way that you can do this. So you're going to still hit equal, and then instead of actually pointing and clicking, that cell in A3, we're just going to type that in, A3. And then we're going to add B3. So once we do that, we're going to get the same result that we do if we did a point and click. So now another way, if you don't want to continue, creating the same exact formula down, all you have to do is click the fill handle. This is the little mark in the corner of the cell. Just go ahead and drag that down, and it'll drag that formula down for you. It essentially copies it. So let's go ahead and try it out on subtraction. We'll do both ways again. So we're going to start out with point and click. We're going to do E2, and this is subtraction, so we're going to do the minus sign, and we're going to do F2. There goes our answer. And now we're going to try it the other way. Equal sign, E3. Oh, not that. E3 minus F3. There we go. We can just copy that from the fill handle, and we got the same answer. Alright, now with division, it's just going to be pretty much the same way. It's just going to change to different sign. So we're going to go ahead and do it the same way we've been doing. We're going to do the two different styles. We're going to do equal. We're going to do cell A9, and then we're going to hit the dividing sign, and then we're going to divide it by B9. There we go. We're also going to try it again with the other method, equal sign. We're going to be in A10, that's the cell we want. We're going to hit the divisible sign, and then we're going to go do B10. So type in B10. So two different ways, you're going to still get the same result, whichever way you choose. Now multiplication is going to be the same, similar. We're just going to use the multiplication symbol. So we're going to go ahead and start out with the equal sign. We're going to click the first cell that we want, which is E9. We're going to hit the multiplication symbol, which on your keyboard is going to look like an asterisk. If you have a 10 keypad, it's going to be probably on the right side. And if you don't have a numbered keypad, let's say you're on the laptop that doesn't have a 10 keypad, go ahead and use the shift and the number 8, and that should give you the asterisk. Then we're going to go ahead and point and click to the F9. There goes our answer. Now we're going to go ahead and do it again in the other method. Equal sign, we're going to be doing E10, and then we're going to be multiplying that by F10. There we go. Now again, I told you before, you can go ahead and drag this fill handle down, but you can simply just double click it and it'll fill in the gap, just like that. Now another one you may not be familiar with as far as Excel would be square root. Now square root is a little bit different with the formula. It's pretty much the same, but the symbol is a little different, and you maybe don't use this symbol pretty often. So what we're going to do is to find the square root of these different numbers. The same thing will apply. Hit the equal sign. We're going to click the cell that we want the square root of, and then on your keyboard or your keypad of your laptop, you want to go ahead and do Shift 6, and then you're going to put the number 2, and then hit enter. It's going to give you the square root, and that's all it is to it. Just double click the fill handle, and we're done with that. So these are all some really quick and easy, simple formulas that you can use that you'll probably use in everyday life on multiple applications. So, just go ahead, try a couple of these out. If you need any help, just reach out to me. I will help you and have no problem with that. And just in case you haven't, just go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. Leave a like and subscribe and comment.